Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about our first project in this class, which is the photo restoration project. So the goal of this project is mostly just to get familiar with navigating Photoshop's interface and to get comfortable using some of its tool through a simple photo restoration. This project focuses on tools such as the spot healing brush, dodge and burn tool, as well as just kind of getting familiar with moving around an image and navigating with it. And we will be working on improving the fidelity of a photo that you're going to be choosing at the beginning of this project through the choose your own photo assignment. Uh, this isn't designed to be this isn't a really design heavy project. Other ones will be a little bit more design heavy. Again, this is mostly just to get you kind of familiar with using Photoshop and to kind of show me that you're absorbing what we're learning in class. So your photo restoration is mostly just expected to be clean and looking kind of professional. You want to remove the scratches and damages on the photo that you choose, and just do it to the best of your ability. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to make it look at least as good as you can. And we want your restoration to look pretty natural. Sometimes when you use these restoration tools, they can create seams or errors where they repeat the same texture over and over again, and you want to try to reduce that as much as you can. Your photo should retain its original dimensions. I don't want you to resize this or crop it or anything. I just want to see it at its original dimensions. So just keep all of that in mind. So first you're going to be, so let's go over the different stages of this project. So first you're going to choose a photo. There's a large selection of different photos that have a certain amount of damage in them. And so just choose one that maybe you find interesting or choose one at random. And then next, there's going to be a little progress check-in, which is just a point where you kind of check in with me, let me know how you're doing. If you don't really understand how to do something, if you're having troubles understanding something, you can let me know at that stage, and just that way I can reach out and give you guidance. And then after the progress check-in, we have the final submission where you submit the project to me, the PSD file to me. And then there's also a class critique that is a discussion board. And so for that discussion board, you'll need to be able to save your restored photo as a JPEG or a PNG, which we covered in the saving portion of the Photoshop interface assignment. And then you'll upload it to the discussion board, and then you have to comment and give us short critique, answer a few questions about uh, for each of your classmates. You have to answer 3 classmates. And yeah, this is also to kind of introduce you to the kind of like the project flow that we have in this class. And so I hope that this is understandable. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Canvas, and I will see you at the next assignment.